Chapter 15, Materials We Use. Hello students, take a look around you. Your clothes, your school bag, your pencil box, the chair you are sitting on. Have you ever thought, what are they made of? In this chapter, we are going to learn about the materials we use every day, where they come from, how they are made, and how they affect our world. Let's begin our journey into the world of natural and man-made materials. Natural materials. Natural materials come directly from nature, from plants, animals, or the earth. Humans have been using them for thousands of years. Examples: cotton, wool, silk, used in clothes; wood, used in furniture and houses; clay and stone, used to make pots and buildings; metals like iron and copper, used in tools and wires. These materials are biodegradable, which means they don't harm the environment. Man-made synthetic materials. Some materials don't come straight from nature. They are made by human beings using chemical processes. We call them man-made or synthetic materials. Examples: plastic, used in bottles, bags, toys; glass, used in windows and mirrors; nylon and polyester, synthetic fabrics; cement and concrete, used in construction. These materials are strong, light, and cheap, but some of them can harm the environment because they don't break down easily. Use and impact of plastic. Plastic is one of the most commonly used materials today. Why we use plastic? It is lightweight, doesn't rust or break easily. It is cheap and easy to shape. But plastic also causes problems. It does not decompose for hundreds of years. It pollutes land and water. It harms animals, especially in oceans. Burning plastic releases harmful gases. To reduce plastic pollution, we must follow the 3 Rs. Reduce, use less plastic. Reuse, use items again and again. Recycle, make new items from used plastic. Glass and ceramics. Glass, made by heating sand and chemicals, used in windows, mirrors, bottles. It is clear, shiny, and can be recycled. But it breaks easily. Ceramics, made from clay, baked at high heat, used in pots, plates, tiles, toilets. They are strong and heat resistant, but brittle. Importance of choosing the right material. We choose materials based on what we need. Steel, strong and used for bridges. Plastic, light and used for packaging. Wood, warm and used for furniture. Cotton, soft and used in clothes. We must also think about how a material affects the environment. Using the right material saves money and nature. Conclusion. Let's review what we learned. We use both natural and man-made materials every day. Natural materials are eco-friendly. Man made materials are strong but can be harmful if not used carefully. Plastic is useful but should be reduced, reused, and recycled. Choosing the right materials helps in building a better, cleaner world. So, students, next time you pick up something, ask yourself, what is this made of? And is it safe for the earth?